So guys, I'm gonna show you how I achieved this. So guys, I painted this myself. If you want to know how I achieved this from this previous look to this one, keep on watching till the end. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be taking you through how to paint a furniture. So have you seen my video on how I transformed a dresser from brown to teal green? Yes, from this color to this color. If you haven't seen it, make sure that you check out this video. I have showed you how to transform, you know how we do it on this channel. So if you're new here, consider subscribing to my channel. I want to know you, I want to meet you. Where are you watching from? Yes, so and today if you're seeing this gorgeous screen for the first time, my name is Miriam. I am a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur, a fashion designer, and a YouTuber. Today you are meeting the painting side of chassis of Mariah. So come with me, let's go. But before we go, I need to let you guys know something. For this project I have already primed it. So if you want to know how to prime, make sure that you check out this video. You know, here that's priming. You know, this entire process is called priming. So if you want to change your furniture from a color to another by painting, you know, you have to prime it first for the most part. You know, so when you prime it, maybe you want to, you know, even if it's from white to white, you can still prime, but you can as well, you know, coat on it. You can as well coat on it directly, but it depends on the kind of paint that you are using. So today, come with me, let's go. So all my returning subscribers, man, you guys are the real MVP. Thank you so much for always watching my videos, for always coming back to watch your girl. Thank you for your support. I appreciate you guys. I see you when you share my videos. God bless you guys from the depths of my heart. God bless you. I really appreciate you. Yes, so let's so without further ado, let's go. Come with me, let's go. Okay, so guys, before we proceed, I would like to show you the items that we'll be needing for this project. So come with me, let's go. So as usual, I'm gonna be clean. You need a brush, a painting brush. You will need like a disinfectant or wipes. You will need a primer. Of course, this was what I used to prime it. So priming is the first step. You know, you use a paint brush to apply this all around the surface that you want to paint. So this is the primer. I got this from Home Depot. It is called KILZ2 all-purpose interior exterior primer. So yeah, you can pick this up at Home Depot. Yes, so and thank me later. I'll leave the link in the description below. So for this project, I will be using this paint. Yes, it's a quarter gallon. It's quarter of a gallon. It's called BEHR Premium Plus Exterior Satin Enamel. Yes, so it has satin finishing. So I'll be using this to paint my daughter's bookshelf. Yes, so it's gonna be a surprise package for her when she gets back from school today. I'm gonna paint it and I will dry it up, and I will definitely arrange her books, her storybooks, Bibles, and you know, school books, her study books, her reading books right here. So come with me, let's go. First things first, I'm gonna be doing this. I'll be wiping off the, you know, because it's a bit dusty. So what I did is I primed this. I primed this shelf for a few days. You can actually do that. You can actually prime for just an hour. But of course, I had a lot of projects, and I just felt, okay, since I was priming, let me just prime everything at the same time. Yeah. So just come with me. Let's go. You know. So for this project, I'm just gonna clean it first. I'm gonna be cleaning it first and foremost. Don't worry, I'll show you everything. Don't worry. I've got you covered. One thing that I do, I like to start from under, and I'll tell you why. Because it gets to a point when this place, these parts may get hard to get to, you know, by the time you're done painting this part. Because if you paint this part, you paint the upper part, and then you come here, it starts to stain you. But you want to minimize that from happening, even though sometimes there are some things you have almost no control over. So come with me, let's go. So first I'll get two of this. I'm gonna grab two of this. Okay, I think I have two already. So I'm gonna just, you know, clean it up because I can see some dust on it. Yes, there's dust in California. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it up. You know, just wipe it off clean. You see, it's the surface is already getting dirty. You know, so yeah. Okay, so I'll be using pink. You know, so just to let you guys know, just to reiterate on that. You know. So this goes to show that once you're done with your projects, just take them indoors. Don't bother waiting like me, you know. Don't leave it to acquire or gather some dust like this. So go ahead and, you know, just take it indoors. Once you're done with your projects, just... So like I said earlier, I'm going to be starting from under. Okay, you can still see me. Good. Good job. So guys, note that the inner parts, now it depends, two things. I'm gonna stand it and see if, remember, I'm just a newbie, so bear with me. Okay, good. So I just wanted to confirm that we don't need to paint underneath of here. You know what I mean? So yeah, I just wanted to confirm that. So let me go ahead and open this paint. Just a sec. So guys, guess what? This is what the paint looks like. Yeah, it's kind of like dark pink. Yeah, so come with me guys, let's go. So you start to apply the paint. Just start to apply it, don't wait. Bottom of the dresser, I'm gonna put it on, I'm gonna lay it on this carton so that it doesn't have any, I don't transfer it to the floor. So I'm trying to minimize contact with the floor as much as I can. Painting the bookshelf. What do you guys think? Can you rate me from 1 to 10? What do you think? Do you think I tried? This is my first time. This is my first time of trying this project. So let me know what you guys think. So I converted it from more like beige ivory, you know, to pink. Yeah, I'm sure my daughter is gonna love it. So I'll leave it outside to get dried for a bit. you know. So let me know in the comments below, do you have a project that you want to work on, or you want to pick my brain on what color to use, how to go about this, you know, design and all that? Yes, hit me up. My email address is there. I'm also open to business inquiries. Yes, we can work together. If you want to work with me, go ahead and, you know, email me, and I'll definitely respond to every single one of you. Yes, so if this video has blessed you, know how to do it, please smash on the subscribe button if you have not. Yes, because I want to see you again on this channel. You know, subscribe to my channel and make sure that you share this video with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend that women also paint. Yes, what a man can do, a woman can do it better. Don't hit me in the comments, you. So guys, I hope to see you guys. I hope to see you in my next video. But till then, make sure that you are winning and you are sparkling for your girl chances. Till I see you again in my next video. Bye for now. And in case no one has told you before, let me be the first to tell you today that you are amazing, and I am so proud of you. Yes. All right, shine guys and do exploits. Bye.